Does your code of conduct require professionalism in your workplace? I'm Nancy Schick of Third Air Conflict Resolution. We are an employment law and mediation firm in New York City, and we've been doing this work for the past 20 years. So what I want to go through today, it's part of this series that I've been doing on DEI, is I want to talk to you about how your code of conduct can hinder diversity in your workplace. And professionalism is one of those kind of, for me, to use another buzzword, it's a trigger word. And what that means is not that it triggers me and gets me upset, but it means I listen more intently when I know I have clients who are using professionalism in this kind of vague way to discipline employees for various conduct. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to avoid discrimination claims because you're using that vague term called professionalism. So first, pretty simple, right? Be specific. If you're going to use that kind of term in your workplace, you need to define what that means in your workplace. If you're using things like professional dress, well, what does that look like? If I'm a lawyer, professional dress might look different if I'm in court than it does if I'm working from home, if I'm on a Zoom video, right? Or if I'm serving a client. Maybe I've done this before, is maybe I've had to go out to a work site. And do you really want me in a suit and heels on a job site when I might get hurt? You probably want me in a hard hat. So professionalism is a very vague term that needs to be defined specific to your workplace. Second, you want to focus on your business brand. This is an opportunity for you to shine with your employees and have them really get on board with what you're trying to create in your business. If you have a uniform, if you have logo merchandise that you want your employees to wear, then this is an opportunity to just explain why you chose what you did, how it represents your company, how it communicates to the people that you serve, what you're about. Then third, you want to tie it to your unique industry or profession. Remember how I was talking a little bit about what it is to be a lawyer? I work with funeral directors and we talk about this a lot too, is that one of the reasons, you might not have thought about this, but one of the reasons that in the funeral profession and in the legal profession, you'll see a lot of the times what we call the uniform is the black suit, right? And some of that is to take the attention away from us so that the attention is on what we're providing as the service. It's on the client, it's on you. It shouldn't be about me. It should be about you when I'm serving you. So these are the kinds of things that we work on in the codes of conduct. And if you need some help reviewing yours and updating it to bring the best out of your employees, then I'll put a link in the notes to this video for you to schedule a consultation. And of course, in the meantime, keep listening with your third ear for those hurts you can heal.